What does a content creator, a live streamer, and a gamer all have in common? Well, they're all hobbies and professions that require way too much sitting. All of the sitting is having a huge negative effect on your energy, your production output, but most importantly, your health. So it's imperative that we find solutions that's gonna help content creators, live streamers, and gamers do their professions and hobbies for the long haul. So in this video right here, we're gonna be taking a look at the Balance Deck from Fluidstance and how it can help you. Let's go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild, coming at you for my stream support playlist where I bring you the best tips and tricks. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and improve your stream, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell so when my videos go live for you. And hey, at any moment in this video, if you like the products or the services that I'm talking about, did you all a favor? I put links in the show notes below, so make sure you check them out. I know the idea of sitting can be harmful, seems outlandish or a ridiculous idea at first, but it actually is a bigger problem than you think. Most people are sitting or not moving for more than 40 hours a week, and this has a huge toll on your energy, your production, and your overall health. In fact, according to healthline.com, the average office worker sits up to 15 hours a day. Bottom line is, we're just sitting way too much. But lucky for you and for me, Fluidstance aims to tackle the issue with their Balance Deck boards that they have to make us all a little bit healthier while we're creating content online. This bad boy right here is the Level Balance Deck from Fluidstance, which measures 26.5 inches in length, 12.2 inches in width, and 2.5 inches in height, and only weighs just under 8 pounds. The deck can support up to 300 pounds, has a solid bamboo top with a water-based finish. The deck sports a military-grade aluminum finish which looks awesome and has these rubber end corners here to prevent things like clanking or slamming on the surface that you may be using the deck on. The deck is capable of full circular motion, and all Fluidstance decks come in a variety of awesome finishes and colors. So there are a ton of benefits of having a balance deck. In fact, there's so many that if you'd like to learn more about the balance decks and the health benefits that have, I'm gonna put links in the description below that I recommend checking out. But I'm gonna go over the most noteworthy ones that will help decide if you think a balance deck is gonna be best suited for your needs. Benefit number one, more motion, mo better. Due to these nice, awesome designs that are on the Fluidstance decks, you get a much more range of full motion. Some just pivot side to side or front and back. But no, with the Fluidstance decks, you can do full circular motions, which means a lot more work and a lot more benefit for you and your body. Health benefit number two is all about having more energy in your day. In a study done by the Mayo Clinic, users that used a balance deck for 20 minutes a day showed an increase of energy of about 20% energy expenditure compared to just sitting. Benefit number three is all about being more happy, more comfortable, and more productive. It should come to no surprise that a balance deck actually crushes sitting within these categories. Simply rotating a balance deck into your work environment or your routine is going to yield huge results to things like posture or production, or even just becoming more focused within your day. Now you're probably wondering, what are the cons to having a balance deck? And to be honest, there really aren't any. It's technically a win-win. So how much does a Fluidstance balance deck cost? Well, to be honest, it's a premium price, but you're getting a premium product in return. For the level deck that you see here, they range between $289 and $389 USD depending on the finish that you want. Now they make a higher version from this, which is around $489 USD, but they also make a beginner slash entry level deck that is around $189 USD. If you want to get more advanced knowledge on those, I will put links in the show notes below, so make sure you check them out. Now, the price is probably going to be everybody's biggest pushback on getting a Fluidstance balance deck, but I always like to justify my purchase with the fact that I plan on creating live streaming content, content creation, and gaming for probably the rest of my life. So investing in something that's going to help me out with my health and the longevity of making sure that I'm going to be fine doing all that stuff is more or less pivotal to what I need to have in my life. And when you factor all that in, I'm not really paying that much of a premium price because I'm gonna have the product for years and years. And if you still have a problem with the price, don't worry, I got you covered. If you enter in Wild for Games 15, you can save 15% site-wide on fluidstance.com. So if you're already all in on the balance deck, there are only 2 accessories that I kind of recommend that you may want to look at. One is a balance mat, which you put between the board and the floor. This will help protect the floor surface if it's fragile or anything like that, or if it's slippery, it'll add a little more traction. And number 2 is a stand base. This way you have somewhere cool to keep your deck and out of the way for storage needs. And now time for a bonus tip. A lot more companies are becoming health conscious or expanding the health benefits within their company. So you may want to take a look at talking to your HR or superior or boss and see if they're willing to introduce things like standing desks and balance decks to your work environment, because it does yield health benefits and also it yields production value within the company. So it's a win-win on both sides. In fact, a company that I'm contracted to work with was interested in the balance deck after I told them I would be doing a video on this very product right here. Look, sitting is the new smoking of this generation, and it's vital that you take care of your health and tackle these issues now. And in a generation where it's common to have a pedometer on your wrist or have a standing desk, a balance deck is just another tool to make sure you're gonna have a long filled life. So you may wanna take a look at a balance deck from Fluidstance, because trust me, you won't regret it. If you guys like this type of information, you want me to do more product reviews that's gonna help you be a better live streamer, content creator, or even gamer, you know what to do. Leave me a comment below and I will see what I can do to make a video on that for you. Thank you so much for checking out this video, and I will see you all in my next stream support video coming up real soon. Take care all. Peace.